Part 5 of our Indian Constitution, Chapter 2, Article 100 to 114. These are deals about the money bills or appropriation bills, assent of the bills, or annual financial statement of the bills, or budget estimates, etc. Etc. Articles deals about this article 100 to 114 of our Indian Constitution. Let us discuss about the each and every article of article 100 to 114. So, according to article 100, voting in houses, power of houses to act notwithstanding vacancies and quorum. If there is no quorum in the House of the People or Rajya Sabha, that must be considered by the Speaker of the Lok Sabha or Chairman of the Rajya Sabha. So that is deals about the voting in houses, power of houses to act notwithstanding vacancies and quorum. So quorum must be maintained by the Speaker or Chairman of the Rajya Sabha. And Article 101, vacation of seats. How many vacancies are there? So that deals about Article 101, vacation of seats. Article 102, disqualifications for membership. So what is the disqualifications for membership? So any criminal offence or any other criteria. So eligibility criteria clearly mentioned in Article 102, disqualifications for membership. Article 103, decision on questions as to disqualification of members. Decision on questions to disqualification of members according to Article 103. And Article 104, penalty for sitting and voting before making oath or affirmation under Article 99 when not qualified and when disqualified. So on this criteria, so penalty for sitting, voting before oath or affirmation. So penalty may be imposed on particular this cause. Article 105. So Article 105 deals about the powers, privileges, etc. of the Houses of Parliament and of the members and committees thereof. Powers, privileges, etc. of the Houses of the Parliament and of the members and committees thereof. Article 106, it deals about the salaries and allowances of members. Article 106 deals about the salaries and allowances of the members. So Article 107, provisions as to introduction and passing of bills. So provision as to introduction and passing of bills. So what is the procedure required to introduce bills and passing of bills? Procedure explained Article 107. Article 108, joint sitting of both houses in certain cases, Dowry Act, Postal Bill, etc. Our President of India may call for joint session of the Indian Parliament. So if there is no single stand on particular bill, in this moment our President of India may call for joint sitting. So joint sitting of the Parliament according to Article 108. Article 109 speaks that special procedure in respect of money bills. Money bills may be decided by the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, because House of the People is having more rights on money bills because they are directly elected by the people. And Article 110, definition of money bills. What is the criteria? How can you decide money bills? That must be decided Article 110. So the Speaker can decide money bills. Article 111, assent of the bills. Without assent of the bill by the President of India, there is no possibility to consider that as act. So President Act is compulsory. President's assent is compulsory. According to 111, almost all the bills must be signed by the President of India. Finally, that may be considered as act. So it will be come into force like act. Article 112, annual financial statement. So that deals about the budget, annual budget of the union government. Article 113, procedure in parliament with respect to estimates. Respect to estimates. So estimates committee, it consists of 30 members. 30 members. These members are belonging to the ruling party. All members are maximum house of the people. They will decide. They give estimates of the government and for the definite particular year. Article 114, appropriation of bills. Article 114, appropriation of bills. That deals about appropriation of bills. Article 114.